A day after Canada gave the okay, the U.S. is now one step closer to approving Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine on the heels of the deadliest day yet of the pandemic south of our border. For the first time ever, the U.S. confirming more than 3,000 COVID-19 fatalities in a single day. Wednesday's tally is the highest ever for any country, and it exceeds the lives lost in the September 11th attacks. Now, intensive care units at hundreds of hospitals across the U.S. are at or near capacity, but hope is on the horizon. A key advisory committee for the American Food and Drug Administration held an all-day live stream meeting Thursday.
The American public demands and deserves a rigorous, comprehensive, and independent review of the data.
The panel weighing whether the benefits of taking the shot outweigh the risks. After examining data that showed the Pfizer-BioNTech shot was safe and 95% effective in trials. Flash forward to later in the day, the committee, as was widely expected, voted to recommend emergency use authorization. Now, it's up to the FDA to give the green light, a decision that's expected in the near future. The move follows Canada's approval of the shot Wednesday, beating the U.S. to the punch and to the punchline.
Can you just explain to us how you beat the FDA?
Sure, we're just better.
The UK, though, was the first to give the go-ahead and then begin vaccinations this week, already delivering thousands of doses and issuing a warning after two healthcare workers had an allergic reaction. British health officials say anyone with a history of anaphylaxis to a medicine or food should not get the shot. Back to the U.S.
Personally, I cannot roll up my sleeve fast enough to get this vaccination.
This Indiana doctor eager to get the shot as preparations to deliver the first of two required doses 3 weeks apart kick into high gear. This site being readied in New Jersey.
FDA scientists are known around the world for their expertise. We are a regulatory gold standard, and we have done a very thorough review to get this right.
The FDA's commissioner on Good Morning America ahead of the group's vaccine decision, emphasizing that even with hope in sight, key health measures are still needed.
It's really important that while we wait for a vaccine, which will help us get beyond this pandemic, we continue those so very important mitigation efforts. Wear your mask, wash your hands or use hand sanitizer, and for sure, protect the vulnerable.
And the latest update from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, it's now forecasting total COVID-19 deaths in the U.S. could hit 362,000 by January 2nd. Melissa Duggan, City News.